Good day, everyone. We are the creators of Nice Basketball Shoes, an e-commerce website that focuses on selling high-quality and stylish basketball sneakers. Our group's goal is to provide the basketball enthusiasts with an easy, fast, and convenient way to shop for the best performance shoes from top brands like Nike, Jordan, and LeBron. We aim to showcase not only our web development skills but also our understanding of digital marketing and online business strategies. Okay, here po i-demonstrate natin. Yan. As you can see, ito po ang aming home page. Yan. It features a clean and modern navigation bar with links to home, products, about, and contact. It allows users to explore the website easily and access each page with just one click. Yan. About naman po sa design, it uses a combination of blue and as you can see, there's a yellow part. Yeah. It represents energy and style. The carousel on the homepage displays featured shoes, while product card shows shoe image, prices, and sizes in a clean grid layout. Yan. Product page naman po. Ito po yung product page. Yes. Our product page displays all available sneaker with details such as product name. Yan. Nakalagay po dyan. Like this. KD18 on Pearl. Yan. Each item has an add to cart button and a drop down for available sizes. Ayan, ito po yan. Pwede pong pumili yung customer ng gusto nilang size, making the shopping experience more interactive and realistic. E-commerce plays a major role in today's economy. It allows businesses to reach a global market, operate 24/7, and reduce operating costs compared to physical store. For customers, it provides convenience because they can compare prices, view option, and order products without leaving their homes. And dito naman po tayo sa marketing strategies na nagagawa dito dahil sa design. It uses several digital marketing strategies such as number 1 po sa visual appeal. As you can see naman po, may kagaya po nito, may mga effects. Yes. High quality shoe image, tsaka bold typography to attract customers. Next is the brand. Yan, Nike, Jordan, yan po yung brand. Consistent colors and strong logo to build a brand recognition. Yes. Next is call to action buttons. Buttons like shop now and add to cart encourage users interaction. Sa social media integration naman po na makikita natin sa contact, nasa bottom part po yan. We added Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok links to help promote our products online. Balik tayo sa products. And also, ito po pala, ma'am. In the real world, e-commerce is growing rapidly thanks to advances in technology. Current trends include mobile shopping, AI-powered recommendation, cashless payment, and social media marketing. Yes, our project reflects these trends by creating a responsive and user-friendly website that could easily be expanded into a real online store in the future. Useful po talaga tong ganitong site, lalo na po sa mga may physical store. Hindi na po pupunta yung mga customer. They can order through online. Yan. Dito po tayo sa about. Dito niyo po makikita yung about the web page. And also dito po sa Meet the Team. Kami na lang po yung ilagay namin. Tatlo po kami pala dito na gumawa ng website ng e-commerce po ng group namin. Yan. Okay. Let's go back home. Yan. Nice basketball shoes. Ayan po yung name ng aming site or e-commerce po. Yan. Dina-demonstrate po namin how e-commerce website combine design, functionality, and marketing para mag-create po ng modern online business. Through this project, we learn how to integrate web design skills and real-world e-commerce applications. Okay, malinaw po tayo. That's all, ma'am. Thank you po.